Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to back up WhatsApp messages. If you want to keep all of your chats safe, then backing up is the best option for it, and I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply go to the settings, and once you get there, you have to click onto your account, which is your name. And there you will see this option for iCloud. Click onto it. Then you will see this one, save to iCloud, and along with that you will see this option for see all. Click onto it and then you will see all of your apps. You have to scroll down and find the WhatsApp. Usually it is at the end. Just simply go there and make sure that option is turned on for it. If it is turned off, then you have to simply turn it on. Once that good, simply get back and open the WhatsApp, and then you have to go to the settings, and then you have to click onto this option, which is the chats. As you click onto the chats, then you will get there, then you have to click on chat backup. Simply click onto this option and you will get into it. Then you have to click on backup now, but before you can manage if you want the videos to be backed up by turning on this option. And in auto backup you can check out when you want the auto backup to run for you. You can choose as per your preferences, and after that simply get back and click on backup now, and after that the WhatsApp will get backup. So that's how you can back up WhatsApp messages. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.